let's get this paper, yeah. Hit the ground running, ain't no time to waste. Digging up that silver, love the shiny taste. Every swing a jackpot coming up so fast. That quick silver coin strike, this money.
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to Quicksilver Coin Strike. Today I'm gonna show you some of the latest silver coins I've hunted, from Canadian dollars to quarters. I have also got this really rare Kennedy error coin and this Virginia quarter that might be an error too. Spot price about 2 years ago. Since then, silver has essentially quadrupled, making this a ginormous profit for myself. The story behind this, I met someone whose father was a lifelong collector. After he passed away, the heirs took the collection to a pawn shop, but the offers were insulting. I offered to buy the entire lot at a fair discount, better than any pawn shop, but still a great deal for me. We built such a good relationship that he kept on calling me every month as his siblings decided to sell their shares too. In a total, I bought thousands of coins, from uncirculated US half dollars to Canadian silvers, and I paid a little over $6,000 for everything, and eventually sold the collector's grade pieces for $22,000. Whether you're roll hunting at the bank for silver, at face value, or scouring Craigslist, OfferUp, and or Facebook Marketplace, the deals are out there. Just make sure you have our hunter's kit ready so you know exactly what you're buying. Let's dive into these coins. Right, silver dollar with Queen Elizabeth II on the forefront of the coin. Full silver. Then you got these war nickels. Most of these are not full silver, but very high amounts of silver. I got these war nickels, all found in bankrolls through my time of collecting. All fair quality. A 1907 Liberty Head nickel, found in an American nickel roll that I found at the that I bought from the bank. These two are a treat, though they are not silver. These are very uncommon errors. This one, as you can tell, pretty interesting error. As for this one, if you look close enough, he has a small dent on his nose. The rest of these are Canadians. Varies in silver, but mostly silver. All bearing, besides one, Queen Elizabeth II. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Let's go! The silver hunt is on, feel the springtime rush. This path we're on will turn it all to dust. This is a legal bank.